मतभेद जायज है, मतभेद होना ही चाहिए. If two people are thinking exactly the same thing, evolution will not happen.
True.
It will be yes manship, yes man.
Yeah.
Like how Trump wants everybody around him to be yes man. जो भी वो करता है, वही बेस्ट है, वही राइट है. There is no other opinion, and he is the best thinker, he is the best strategist, he is the best implementer, वगैरह वगैरह. Yes man. You don't want yes man culture because that doesn't allow one to grow. So a different thought is always welcome because it creates a debate, because it allows you to grow. But the most important thing in partnership is to let go.
Yeah, that's true.
That's always.
Meaning, you don't want to win every argument, because the day you start doing that, you might win the argument, but you will lose the person.
Exactly.
So जैसे मैरिजेस में भी यही होता है कि even if you are right, even if you have reasoned, if it doesn't go across, let go. ठीक है यार. This is हमारे जैनिज्म में, by the way, प्रियांक, एक बढ़िया प्रिंसिपल है. दिस इज नॉट अबाउट रिलीजन, बट दिस इज अबाउट अ प्रिंसिपल दैट इज गोइंग टू बी वेरी 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 यूजफुल. जैन रिलीजन में एक प्रिंसिपल है. द प्रिंसिपल इज एकांतवाद वर्सेस अनेकांतवाद. एकांतवाद का मतलब ये हुआ one point of view and I'm always right. This is my view, this is it. There's no argument, there's no debate. Whoever challenges this, I'm going to get into a very long streak of argument and debates, and we might end up hurting each other. That is ekantvad. I'm always right is ekantvad. My view is the only view in this universe, and it is the only correct view. That is ekantvad. Anekantvad is, this is my view, somebody else can have a different view, and I respect that. That's it. But however, this is my view, and I have no problem with someone else having another view. So, for example, if I lift the curtain and look outside and ask myself a question, or if someone asks me, "Batao, ye din hai ya raat hai?" So I open the curtain. Of course, I don't need to open the curtain for that. But bahar zabardast light aa rahi hai, surya ki roshni aa rahi hai, and I say, obviously दिन है और यही सत्य है. This is the only truth. That's not true, because exactly at the same point in time in America, रात है. So what is the truth? अभी दिन है या अभी रात है? What is the truth? There are very few Sanatan Satyas in this universe. Very few. Even those which we believe to be true, or the truth, or the Satya, or the Sanatan Satya, may not be the only truth. Generally, your truth is nothing but a perspective from your side, defined by who you are and where you are looking from. So if I'm Amrish Chheda sitting in Mumbai, looking outside my window from India, to din hai. But if I was Amrish Chheda sitting in California and looking outside my window, at the same moment, raat hai. Truth is relative to who you are and where you are looking from. Truth is relative to your current and past karmic memory. Your truth, or your viewpoint, or your staff member's viewpoint, or your client's viewpoint, or your vendor's viewpoint, are all relative to their karmic memory. Current birth ka karmic memory and अगर पास्ट बर्थ थे तो उसका कार्मिक मेमोरी. नाउ वेदर वी बिलीव इट और नॉट इज अ डिफरेंट थिंग. जब हम बॉर्न होते हैं तो ऐसा लगता है हमें कि हम क्लीन स्लेट से आ रहे हैं. यहां पे क्लीन है स्लेट, बट पास्ट कार्मिक मेमोरी जो हमारे कॉन्शियस और सबकॉन्शियस माइंड में अलाइव नहीं है, वो स्टिल है. एंड इट मेक्स अस हु वी आर इन दिस वर्ल्ड. इफ वी आर मिस्टर एंग्री यंग मैन, so it is not only because of our circumstances in this birth, but could be because of the karmic memory, or they call it genetic. Now, not everything is explained by genetics, only the physical part, the physical gene part, because there could be genetic memory also. So, for example, evolution में how come न्यूली बॉर्न बच्चे को कैसे पता है कि भूख लगी है उसको, तो माँ का आंचल किस तरफ है और मुंह खोलना चाहिए और दूध पीना चाहिए, कैसे मालूम उसको? अगर ये कार्मिक मेमोरी ना होता, एवोल्यूशन की वजह से एनग्रेन्ड इन अस, तो कितना समय लगता एक न्यूबॉर्न बेबी को ये बताने के लिए कि भैया भूख लगी है तो माँ का आंचल है, वहां से आपको दूध पीना है. ये सिखाने के लिए कितने दिन लगते? Because there is no language which he understands. But and I don't think it is just a physical gene that makes it happen. It is the evolution related karmic memory which makes it happen. So your truth is relative to who you are and where you are looking from. तो आपकी कंपनी में आपको ये कल्चर पहले से, ये बात जो मैंने आज कही है, ये बार बार दोहरानी है आपकी कंपनी को. Whenever someone say, I am right and you are wrong. And if you look at that perspective, and if your intelligence doesn't allow you to see that perspective, and you strongly believe that your view, which may be contrarian, is the better view for the company. कंपनी के फायदे में आपका व्यू है, न कि सामने वाले का. So at that time you can bring this up, that I understand what you are saying, I can see what you are saying, and I can see that your view about what is good for the company is different than mine, and perhaps it is the opposite, and I respect that, and I don't have any apathy with that, because your view is coming from who you are and where you are looking from. And I still hold my view, which is coming from who I am and where I am looking from. Okay. So let's drop the debate at this point in time, and let's perhaps, evolve more and then debate it some other time. Or if it is very urgent, then let's, debate this with my mentor, our mentors, our well-wishers, our friends, higher level of body, higher level of wisdom. Let's debate this. Let's debate. So this is not about right and wrong. Maybe you could be right. Maybe I could be right, in the sense that we both know that there are very few universal truths. सनातन सत्य जैसी बहुत कम चीजें हैं. Maybe what you are saying is more beneficial to company. Maybe what I am saying is more beneficial to company. But let's figure it out. तो I think इस तरह का अगर अप्रोच के साथ अपने स्टाफ को और अपने आप को एक दूसरे को तैयार करेंगे over a period of time, working place will become a very, very vibrant, positive place where views are heard, analyzed, debated with only one point of view, ki what is good for the company. The point of view is never whether I am right or you are right. That's never the point of debate. But what is good for the company? That's the only point of debate. So, सनातन सत्य जैसी बहुत कम चीजें होती हैं. उसका एक उदाहरण देता हूं आपको कि कम से कम ये तो सनातन सत्य होगा कि इफ आई ड्रॉप दिस तो ये नीचे ही गिरने वाला है. कम से कम ये तो है सनातन सत्य. लॉ ऑफ ग्रेविटी, गुरुत्वाकर्षण का नियम. इसको मैं अगर हाथ से रिलीज कर दूंगा, छोड़ दूंगा, तो नीचे ही गिरेगा. कम से कम ये तो है सनातन सत्य. यस और नो?
Yes.
नहीं है, ये भी सनातन सत्य नहीं है. बिकॉज ये सनातन सत्य है ओनली टिल अंतरिक्ष में सर्टन डिस्टेंस तक. व्हेन वी क्रॉस दैट डिस्टेंस इन द स्काई, अंतरिक्ष में, आफ्टर दैट ग्रेविटी, लॉ ऑफ ग्रेविटी डजंट अप्लाई. तो ऐसी ऐसी चीजों को जिसको हम सनातन सत्य मान के बैठे हैं, ये भी सनातन सत्य नहीं है इन द कॉन्टेक्स्ट ऑफ यूनिवर्स. और हम मान के बैठ जाते हैं कि यार ये तो सत्य ही है, ट्रुथ है, सनातन सत्य है, ओनली ट्रुथ है. नो, इट्स ओनली रिलेटिव टू हु यू आर, वेयर यू आर कमिंग फ्रॉम, व्हाट्स योर कार्मिक मेमोरी. I hope this is useful, guys, in my first session with you,
Yes, yes.
Yes.
because in your journey of building the company together and taking it to great heights and becoming a case study and being written about, आज से 5 साल के बाद, in your journey, many moments will come where there could be contrarian views in the organization. I'm not saying between two of you alone, but within the organization. And the first thing that you want to master, the first principle of success that you want to master, which doesn't sap your energies, it allows you to save your energies, is the principle of ekantvad. And ekantvad. You will save your energies, you will save the energy of the other person. Because if it leads to arguments, disagreements, heartburn, distance, anger, frustration, fear of insecurity about future, etc., etc., over a period of time, it can build into a fireball which can sap your energies. So I want you to write down this principle in your masterclass mentors book, masterclass mentoring book that you will maintain, or a file that you will maintain. Create a folder called masterclass, and everything about masterclass, your blueprint and actions and everything, will be in one single Excel file, multiple worksheets, so that you don't have to search here and there. तो एक एक्सेल फाइल खोलो, उसमें सबसे पहले ब्लूप्रिंट डालो, एंड नेक्स्ट टू दैट एक नया टैब खोलो, नया वर्कशीट खोलो, उसका नाम कहो गोल्डन प्रिंसिपल्स ऑफ सक्सेस. और यू कैन से, हाँ इतना बड़ा नाम नहीं दे सकते, तो उसका नाम, वर्कशीट का नाम दो सक्सेस, बट ऊपर शीट जब खुलेगी तो टाइटल डालो गोल्डन principles of success by masterclass. And in our mentoring process, we are going to do a combination of ingraining the principles of success in your minds, because success of larger size first happens here. Only then it can manifest into reality.